Back with you. I'm here to show off a new addition to my buck knife collection. It's the same year, same vintage as a 112 Ranger that I picked up several months back during the Quartzsite vendor fair. This 112 is a 74 to 82 dot with no nail nick, and the new edition is a 110 Hunter 1974 to 1982 dot model that I picked up here this week. And the cool thing about it is I had sheaths to put these knives in. I didn't get them with sheaths. I had these two that were conveniently left over when I purchased two custom buck suede USA made buck sheaths for a 112 and a 110. I got a plan, a scheme. See how it works out. Anyway, I'll show off my two knives here and go on from there. The Buck Howdy. The 112, like I said, I picked this up right around January 2026. And it was in really rough condition. It's still pretty rough looking, but it's not nearly as bad as it was. A little tattoo art done to the brass frame, and I cleaned off the wood handles and hopefully made it presentable for the long run. Like I said, there's no nail nick, so somebody put a groove, ground a groove in there so you can get purchase on that if you're going to work on it. I still like them. They didn't damage the function of the knife. They just personalized it for their own working day life, which is kind of cool, right? Personalize your buck knife. The new buck knife, like I said, I have a backup sheath for it, but it came in pretty rough condition. It's a little bit more cleaned up now, but I got it working, and it's snapping open nicely, closes well. I don't think it was overly used. The blade was okay condition, a little bit of scuffing marks, nothing horrible. The frame has a few dings. Some people use these as hammers, but yeah, it came out sweet in the refurb. And they're both, like I said, 2-dot models. Buck 110 2-dot and it's over here. Let it clean up. I get the schmutz off of there. Buck 112 2-dot. Yeah. Sweet. Yeah, I got that good. I'm liking it. My EDC carry for this week is a Buck Spitfire 722 and a SAK Tinker model multi-tool knife. Okay, so matching, not a pair, but a couple of cousins, Buck cousins from 1974 to 1980. 2-dot models. Picked up this one, like I said, at a swap meet vendor fair they had. I think I got this for $20 and a lot of, it doesn't need anything. It's fine as it is. It works. And I cleaned this up a little today. Smooth in the hand, feeling good. Got a few nicks. Little character, little age, little character to it. But it's in perfect condition. Wicked blade. Beautiful Buck 110 2-dot. Bless you. Thanks for stopping by. Remember that Jesus Christ loves you, and be well.